Big Brother Naija superstar, our one and only Queen Tacha, our one and only part-time human rights activist. She don't come give us wisdom. Yes, so I say part-time human rights activist, so because this one, in fact, it matter say that they tire me today. You go see how he dey here. Tomorrow you go see how he done the other side. Like that. We don't even know where she dey go. We don't even know which side she even stand. You understand? So I need call her part-time human rights activist. Yes, so my people, she don't bring God's wisdom. At least for the first time, no, for the second time, I agree with her. Now, according to her, based on the Buhari matter where everybody don't they come out, and for now we know even know self, Buhari must go down the trend everywhere. Where nobody want her as president again. So he don't come outside. And waiting she talk, be say, how we go they shout say Buhari must go, and yet time to vote, everybody sit down for a house, nobody bother to even come outside say they vote. Say the thing even happen for Abia State. Say out of 500,000 people wey supposed come vote, now only 16,000 come outside come vote. And now them go come outside, they complain. No complain about governance if you know votes. Now wait till she talk. So I won't make una hear her with your own English and in fine faith. But that's a fine. No. Any asha. I beg, may we listen to her. You understand? Let's watch the video.
Nigerians forming woke, but now we sleepers. Buhari must go is currently trending. Like you and I know, Buhari is not going anywhere until he completes his tenure. So what's the need really? There's a by-election in Abia State, and out of 500 registered voters, only 16,000 voters came out to vote. That's like 3 people out of 100 people. It's as good as nothing. Like, how do we keep complaining about bad governance, and we do not want to get involved in governance? How do you get involved in governance? By seeing it as an obligation to use your voter's card to vote. The voter's card is not going to vote people in by itself. You need to use it. Buhari had nothing to do with only 16,000 people out of 500,000 people going out to vote. That mindset of ours needs to change. We want good governance. We need to vote in good governance.
Fine girl, sexy girl. Una hear her. Also, una know they carry the way by the beauty. Also, una listen to the message. Because I know now, this one. Use your voter's card. Use waiting. Your voter's card. Very, very important. It's for voting. Not be for decoration. Not be for your kitchen. You understand? Very, very important. I beg. Biko. Una see what I call her part-time activist. Una see her. Because now this time she don't come outside now, she makes sense. Like you know that so when I dey hear her and say, yes, this is human being talking. She gets sense today. I hope say tomorrow now she no go drop in sense, use her soul career, just a hope. You understand? So my people, I beg, use your voter's card. If you know the vote, no complain. As simple as that. Okay, I've even put it in a simpler English. If you know vote, no complain. Very simple. No, leave her like that. In case you don't know, not that don't increase. Oh. They don't increase. All these let's get married at 13 years. All those northerners where they marry 100 wives, they go just they shoot their sperm inside any house so that they go born. They don't increase. So if we sit down, still a joke. Now be saying these same people go rule again for another thing. Be like so now, nothing say this thing a joke. Use your voter's card and vote. Because see, anyhow, we not want to see this thing. This Buhari one don't they condemn. You go stay there in front of una screen again. And as una president, no be normal citizen like that. He go still there. Now why? This is the time we are supposed to take this decision. We are supposed to push. We are supposed to. I don't say many of you now. I go come out. They tell me say man Aproko. For 2019 now, our votes were tampered with. This one. Regardless, we go still vote. You understand? God know they sleep. Now wait till I won't make una get for una mind. See if they let me then tamper with her. It happened for 2019. You know me say it go happen for 2021 because God don't hear prayers tire. God don't see cry tire. And I'm sure he has said enough is enough. So I beg make una no give up. No look that 2019 matter where they play with the voters card, they do this one, they do this one. If not be for yourselves, think of your children. Think of your family, friends, neighbors. Think of them. I'm not sure say you want all these things wey happen may repeat again. Think of those people wey die for Lekki toll gate, innocent people wey dey go fight for our rights. So you need step out, you need vote. It is very, very important. You understand? I beg. See, I dey beg una. We need dey as one. They say wetin be that English? United we stand, divided we fall. We need that. We need to dey united this time. You understand? Because see, now one thing, if you check out where, no be say they support Northerners, but you see this unity now one thing where they get. In fact, I no sure say Northerners they feel separate ever. Anything where they want do, they always dey together. Upon saying a bad thing they do, but they get this unity spirit. And now wetin we dey lack. No, seriously, now wetin we dey lack. We need dey as one. You understand? So I beg, the message here be say we need to dey united and come outside and vote. Very, very important. This period, we must pass these Northerners. But our God is bigger than them. They cannot try it. You understand? I beg, keep it to your mind. And make sure, share this video. So that everybody go know say this time now our time. Share am. We need start from today. May we not wait for 2023 before confusion go come take over. You understand? I bet share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen and say we dey prepare to comot Buhari from that seat. Make sure say you subscribe. If not, you go dey miss interesting matters like this. And still drop your comment. Why not? If not, I want to know wetin you think concerning this matter. Stay tuned for our next story.